Hello friends, hello my dear my audience. This is Education Family TV. Here we're going to learn English. You are welcome. Welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Hawe ikaze hano, niba uri mushya ndagusabye kora subscribe. Ni ubuntu kuri wowe ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije kubikora, subscribe warakoze cyane, ndagushimiye. Imana iguhe umugisha. Come. Can I unhang this shirt for you? Ese nkumanurire iyi shirt? I want more of this time. How much is this? Iki nangahe? I will give you 20,000. Ndaguha igihumbi 20. What about 18,000? Ese uwaguha ibihumbi 18? Sorry, I can't go lower than 20,000. Mwihangane sinajya munsi y'ibihumbi 20. Would you like to wrap it? Ushaka kugipfunyika? Yes, please. Or else it will get scratched when I put it in my bag. Yego, bitabaye ibyo cyakoboka ngishize muri iki gikapu. Here is the wrapper for you. Ngiki icyo gupfunikisha. Could I have a carrier bag, please? Ese mwama igikapu cyo kubitwaramo? Do you need any help packaging? Ese ukeneye ko tugufasha gupakira? May I use mobile money to pay? Ese wakoresha momo nishyura? We only accept cash. Twakira cash gusa. How much is this? Iki nangahe? How much is that? Kiriya nangahe? How much are these? Ibi nangahe? How much are those? Biriya ni angahe? How much is this? Iki ni angahe? How much is that? Kiriya ni angahe? Hello, can I have 2 pairs of blue jeans, please? Muraho. Ese nabona amajingisi 2 y'ubururu? Which size are you? Ungana ute? I think this is a little bit big. Ntekereza ko iyi ari nini mo gakeya. I think this is a little bit big. You're welcome, sir. How may I help you? Murakaza neza nyakubahwa. Nagufasha iki? I need 2 pairs of shoes, please. Chaka imiguru 2 y'inkweto. Which color do you like, please? Ukunda irihe bara? Which color do you like, please? Ukunda irihe bara? How would you like to pay? Urashaka kwishyura gute? Do you accept card here? Ese mwemera amakarita hano? Do you accept card here? Yes, we do. We accept our major card here. Yego twemera amakarita yose y'ingenzi hano. This shirt may fit me. Ino jipo ishobora kunkwira. Do you have a changing room? Ese mufite icyumba cyo kwigereramo? It's that door. Nuriya muryango. Thank you so much. Urakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Do you have more like this in your stock? Ese mufite byinshi nk'ibi mu bubiko bwanyu? Does history work here? Ese aracyakora hano? No. He is now working in Kigali. Oya, ubu ari gukorera i Kigali. I will buy those ones. Ndagura izi. I will buy those ones. Ndagura izi. The price of rice has been raised. Igiciro cy'umuceri cyarazamutse. How much does this coat cost? Ese iri koti rigura ngahe? 86,100 francs. Ni ibihumbi. Murakoze cyane, ndabashimiye.